All right, today we are attempting to burn the last of the brush that I have. It's never going to be the end of the brush, but the last of the brush that I have already accumulated. I've got the fire pit going here. Check this shit out. All right, I said I got it going. By going, I mean I have it stacked and ready to go. There it is, ready to roar. There's a bunch of leaves under there, so hopefully it doesn't smoke too much. Under this tarp over here, I've got some more sticks and leaves and miscellaneous shit. So I'm hoping from over there maybe I can pull some of that drier lumber that's on the ground and get rid of some of that and help the fire go a little bit better. And that's the agenda for today. So yeah, let's get some boom boom juice mixed up here and get this shit going, shall we? All right, she's a rippin'. I've already got rid of a lot of shit. It's smoking a little bit with the leaves, but not too bad. This pile over here is pretty well gone, a little bit more. And then I've been working away over there in the woods. So yeah, we'll clear it up, get it ready for springtime. All right, calling it quits for the day. That was a good long day. I got a lot of shit done. Check this shit out. The last of everything is burning away now. Just gotta tend to it a little bit more. Over here, the whole brush pile is gone, cleared. Back there was an apple tree that fell down right there. I just limbed it up and threw all that shit on there. Then way down here near this maple tree, cleared all this area up down here. Cut down a few trees, little saplings that were in between here. Some more shit along this tree line. A few saplings that were in there. Cleared it all out. There was so much dead wood down here. Reclaiming the space. Reclaiming the space. These are all my fruit trees down here. I'm gonna put the beehive over there. All in all, it was a good, productive day. Now I just have to tend to the fire and make sure that it isn't out of control. Take care, guys.